Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to take a closer look at ChatGPT, a language model that has become increasingly popular in recent years. You may have interacted with ChatGPT without even realizing it. For example, if you've ever used a chatbot on a website or messaging app, there's a good chance it was powered by ChatGPT. In this video, we're going to explore how ChatGPT works behind the scenes. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a natural language processing (NLP) model that was developed by OpenAI. It is based on the GPT-3 architecture and was trained on a massive dataset of text from the internet, including books, articles, and websites. This training allows ChatGPT to understand and generate natural language text, which makes it a powerful tool for applications like chatbots and automated customer service. How does ChatGPT work? At its core, ChatGPT works by predicting the next word in a sequence of text. This process is known as language modeling. When you input a message into a chatbot or other system powered by ChatGPT, the model uses its training to predict the most likely next word or words in your message. It then uses that prediction to generate a response. One of the key advantages of ChatGPT is that it can generate responses that are very similar to what a human would say. This is because it was trained on a massive dataset of human-generated text. Additionally, the model can be fine-tuned on specific tasks or domains, which makes it even more effective for applications like customer service or technical support. Behind the scenes, ChatGPT is made up of multiple layers of neural networks. These networks are trained to recognize patterns in text and to make predictions based on those patterns. The training process for ChatGPT is extremely computationally intensive and requires a lot of processing power. For example, the largest version of GPT-3, which has 175 billion parameters, required specialized hardware to train. In conclusion, ChatGPT is an incredibly powerful tool for natural language processing that is used in a wide variety of applications. It works by predicting the next word in a sequence of text. And its training on a massive dataset of text from the internet allows it to generate responses that are very similar to what a human would say. Although the training process for ChatGPT is computationally intensive, its effectiveness in a variety of applications makes it a valuable tool for businesses and organizations around the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.